Hi there, my name's Craig. Welcome to my home hob. This week we're cooking my take on an Indonesian classic, Hokkien Mee. First up, boiling 120 grams of dried medium egg noodles for around 3 to 4 minutes. You want them soft, but not so they're falling apart. Once the noodles are partially cooked, set them aside as we're going to use them later on. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a deep pan or a wok and set on a medium heat. And now we're going to fry 3 cloves of finely sliced garlic for around 2 minutes or until it's aromatic. And now I'm adding 2 chillies, 1 green, 1 red. Fry this for around 1 to 2 minutes. Let's start with 60 grams of pork. This is just a pork medallion, finely sliced. And now I've got 60 grams of finely sliced chicken thigh. Fry this for around 3 minutes more. Then it's time to introduce the prawns. Again, 60 grams. And lightly fry for 2 minutes. Once these are cooked, it's time to make our sauce. This is the most important ingredient of Hokkien Mee. So we have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese wine, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Give this a thorough mix together and throw it in with the pork, prawns and chicken. And now it's back in with our cooked noodles. You just want to mix these in so they're coated in all of the sauce. And now it's in with 100 grams of fresh bean sprouts. Again, add them, mix well and cook through for around a further 3 to 4 minutes or until the bean sprouts are done. Then you're ready to serve. And here you have it, my simple interpretation of Hokkien Mee. Spicy, tasty, delicious. And enjoy! And I'm just going to finish the dish off by garnishing with some chopped red chilli and some sliced lime wedges. If you like what you've seen today, please like the video, and if you like, subscribe to the channel. It all helps me grow. Many thanks.